Berge Toyota has the brand new GR86, and not just any GR86. This is a manual Yuzu Edition, and what's so special about this is that Toyota only made 860 of these. Yuzu Yellow is an eye-catching color, and it's paired with gloss black accents. You'll also notice the Brembo brakes, and the GR aero kit enhances the look and performance of the car. Come inside the vehicle and it is luxe. The ultra suede on these seats is so soft, and do you notice the yellow accents? The steering wheel matches with the GR sport wheel, and there is a 7-inch digital gauge cluster, an 8-inch screen, and by the way, there are 2 rear folding seats. Come to the rear of the car and you'll find a duckbill spoiler and dual chrome tip exhaust. This vehicle handles like a dream, and it is fast, 0 to 60 in 6.1 seconds. You really can't drive it without a smile on your face. Come see this car for yourself and experience the Berge way. It's different.